Once you have completed your graduation in Ayush, it could be Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy as one of the courses, and then you plan to do your masters in the same course, then you have to go through the examination which is known as AIAPGET, and for this examination you have the following list of topics that you have to cover. So each of these topics have been extensively given. Now the topics are very similar to what you have for the NEET PG, but the main thing here is all these topics from the light of homeopathy in this case. So as a homeopathic doctor, what all medicines would be prescribed, what all compositions are required have to be studied. So as you go into these details, you would understand what are the important components that you would have to study. So you can just go on to the important aspects and understand the key terms and the key concepts that are actually required for getting a master's degree for homeopathy. So these are some of the important topics that you must go through. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. Thanks for joining in.